Welcome to our channel, Warsdat, where we focus on honing your driving skills, providing in-depth knowledge about cars, and exploring the world of luxury sports cars, both modern and classic. Hit that subscribe button and join the ride. Let's explore, drive, and share the passion for cars together. Follow me. Learn more about driving skills and make your trip safer.
Theoretical questions to pass the theoretical driving test 2. Question 8. This road sign means: A. Watch for people crossing your path. B. No passing zone. C. Work zone ahead. The correct answer is C. Work zone ahead. A sign that says road work ahead warns drivers that they are approaching a construction or maintenance area. Question 9. Which of the following statements is correct? A. Use your left foot to brake. B. Use your right foot for both braking and accelerating your vehicle. C. You should always brake abruptly to ensure stopping. There is B. Use your right foot for both braking and accelerating your vehicle. Using your right foot for both the brake and the accelerator helps prevent confusion and ensures smooth driving. Question 10. Various traffic control devices in construction and maintenance work areas are the color: A. Red. B. Orange. C. Yellow. The correct answer is B. Orange. Traffic control devices in construction and maintenance work areas are typically orange to alert drivers to changes or hazards in the roadway. Question 11. When merging onto the freeway, you should be driving: A. At or near the speed of the freeway. Traffic. B. At the legal speed limit. C. More slowly than the freeway traffic. The correct answer is A. At or near the speed of the freeway traffic. When merging onto the freeway, it's important to match the speed of the existing traffic to merge safely and smoothly. Question 12. Changing from one lane to another is best done: A. Quickly and often. B. When a car is in your blind spot. C. Gradually and carefully. The correct answer is C. Gradually and carefully. Changing lanes should be done smoothly, with proper signaling and checking for other vehicles, especially in your blind spot, to ensure safety. Question 13. All of the following practices are dangerous to do while driving. Which of these is also illegal? Listening to music through headphones. A. That cover both ears. B. Adjusting your outside mirrors. Transporting an unrestrained animal inside. C. The vehicle. The correct answer is A. Listening to music through headphones that cover both ears. It is illegal in many places to wear headphones that cover both ears while driving, because it can impair your ability to hear important sounds, such as sirens or horns, which are critical for safe driving. Question 14. It is a very windy day. You are driving and a dust storm blows across the freeway, reducing your visibility. You should decrease your speed and turn on your A. Interior lights. B. Parking lights. C. Headlights. The correct answer is C. Headlights. When driving in reduced visibility, such as during a dust storm, you should turn on your headlights to improve your visibility and help other drivers see you.